Hi everyone, I forgot to have the couch so you can see my face. Today I'm gonna show you how I cook tofu, plain, simple tofu. We have 3 pieces, 2 I already sliced them and I left one to show you how I slice it. We buy this tofu from Lidl in Romania. I slice it 3 times to make them thinner, so when I season them and when I cook them, they're more flavory. So after I slice them, they're like this. I like to season them with some soy sauce on each side. This is some soy sauce with mushrooms, which is... I have a truck of emotions right now because I'm filming. I put enough soy sauce so there's on each piece of tofu on every side. After putting the soy sauce on the tofu, add some salt on each side of the tofu slices, just a little bit. My parents, I put too much salt. Now that I have salted and put some soy sauce on the tofu, I'll use a stone coated pan. It's a non-stick pan. And make sure it's dry. Fry nicely the tofu in the pan. I like to use some coconut oil. Before starting filming this video, I had a truck of emotions. I didn't know where to start, so I let my mind empty itself. So I won't follow a mental script because I don't like acting a role, which I've done out of time. So I meditate a little bit before doing this video. The pan is ready. I'll add now some coconut oil. The coconut oil is I spread it in the pan. I'll fry it on each side about 20-30 seconds and then I'm gonna get it off out. So the tofu is ready and I'm gonna take it out of the pan. I usually eat it with some vegetables or maybe with some rice. It's just protein here and there is a bit of fat too. And I like to add some lemon juice. It brings out a little bit of sprinkling flavor. I have out of half lemons in my fridge because we often do tofu and we have to slice lemons and then we put them back in the fridge. He likes it too. Not a lemon. Tofu. Then I put some oregano on some tofu slices. On others I put some garlic seasoning. I usually give garlic to some tofu. And voila! He's waiting for some tofu. He always, but always appears when we eat tofu, we're preparing tofu. He knows he's gonna get some